Yo YouTube, what is going on? Welcome back to the Jeepin' Daily channel. Today we are starting off at the shop. The drive shaft is laying on the floor because things have happened in the past week and a half or so. Damn, he unplugged my shit. So we're going to pull the Jeep into the garage, and then I will explain to you what has been going on lately. Well, boys, 30 seconds into this video, and we already have a fucking issue. The Jeep is dead, and it only sat for a damn week. Are you ready? Woo! There we go. All right. Now, let's pull the Jeep into the shop. Alright guys, so last Saturday we came into the shop and wired up the winch. So as you can see, this is on there. The wires are all ran through, and then before we left I wiggled my drive shaft around to see how loose it was. Well, before this bolt even got tight, as you can see, it's not even actually that tight, or in that far. Before it even got tight, the freaking bolt snapped off. So I needed a new yoke anyways, because as you can see, there's a notch missing right there. Like, we had to weld the one on here because I broke this side, and this side ended up breaking. So instead of just buying a $50, $60 yoke from AutoZone, I actually found a Dana 44 rear that came out of a XJ originally, with a mini spool in it, so it's pretty much like welded rear. So I got a Dana 44 with 355 gears, which means the front axle is gonna have to get swapped to match the rear for gear ratio. But I got a Dana 44 with 355s, XJ set up already, and with a spool in it. So basically everything on this has to come off, and we have to do brake hardware kit and everything to this Dana 44. So we're gonna get started on that right now.
A.m. to 5 p.m. and Wednesday from 9 a.m. till 6 p.m. Thank you for calling. Please call back during our business hours.
I have called Advanced. I have called AutoZone. I just tried calling a four-wheel drive shop, and four-wheel drive shop's closed. Advance and AutoZone don't carry the part I need, but the driver's side to this Dana 44 is missing the e-brake assembly because it's drum brakes. So I don't know what we're doing now. I don't think I'm gonna be able to put the rear in, which sucks because I need my Jeep to drive. I've been without my own vehicle for a week now, 7 days, 8 days. We might just have to throw everything back on this 8 1/4 and drive it like that for a while. But I pulled the passenger side off the drum assembly. Everything on the drum assembly for the passenger side of the 8 1/4 is completely off. So as of now, we might have to put everything back together and drive it like that. And if that's the way things go, then this is a Dana 44 install fail. But let's go back inside real quick and let's see what my dad can figure out now. Well, this is a Dana 44 fail. As much as I would love to have my Jeep, I can either half-ass fix it, more half-ass than I've half-assed it before, just to drive it back and forth to work, but I don't want to deal with that just in case it would fall out. The drive shaft would fall out. So I think I'm just going to wait, get the part I need, wait till we can install it, but I do get paid this upcoming Thursday, so I can go impulse buy something today, tomorrow, the rest of the week, or when I get paid I could have more money to go impulse buy something. But I think that's it for this video. So I could go impulse buy something today or throughout the week, wait for some parts, or I could half-ass fix the Jeep today and have it, but I just don't want to deal with the drive shaft in case it would fall out. I should probably let this run. Please start. Frick! Should have let it run. I forgot to let it run. Well, the Jeep's dead, and it's gonna stay dead. But I'm actually gonna go back into the shop, see what the plans are for the rest of the day, see if I can find something that I like, I might buy. But if not, then I'll outro the video. Don't do burnouts. That's why I'm in this situation, because I do burnouts in a vehicle that's not really at all made for burnouts, more for off-road purposes. Well guys, I hope it's not too windy, but I'm just going to end the video here because there's nothing eventful going on right now. My dad's in the shop with his boss. They're currently finishing up at an LS swapped truck. He wants to be a fag. Look, this is what he's working with. Look, mint, fucking mint. This is mint. Tiny ass intercooler. Anyways, before he blows the speakers in his eardrums. Anyways, guys, that's going to wrap up the video on the Jeep. If you guys are interested in seeing a real quick video on how to install a winch and kind of clean the wires up. This last wire I just gave up and kind of threw it in there. But how to clean the wires up, wire everything up. If you just want to see a real quick video on that, comment it down below, let me know. I'll be sure to show you guys an install without actually installing something, like take you through the steps and everything on the bumper. But other than that, guys, as of now, the Jeep is still sitting, so don't expect any content besides this video and maybe a winch video. And maybe this upcoming week I will be going and looking for a new car, but we'll see on that. But anyways, guys, if you enjoyed this fail video, leave a thumbs up Comment anything you want to see down below, any suggestions, questions, just anything, leave it in the comment section below. If you're new to the channel, press the subscribe button, and who knows, maybe instead of buying another car, I'll buy another Cherokee, and not a lifted one that needs work. We'll get one that's already driving. But I'll see you guys next video. Peace out.